Hi, Tara here again. Let's see what question we have for today. Hair that's growing underneath the system can do one of two things. First off, it's going to start to lift the system underneath. Just because you're wearing a system, whether it's glue or tape, does not mean that that hair is going to stop growing. So because the hair is growing, as it grows, the system will start to lift with the hair. This is a good indication that you're going to need a maintenance soon. Also, some people experience a little bit of itchiness or irritation when that hair is growing underneath, as the system is now rubbing up against the hair and the scalp. Again, time for a maintenance. Get that system taken off, get that head cleaned up, and the system reattached. Hope this helps. See you guys next time. Like and subscribe. Bye.